Hello everyone, I just got my Ganzo automatic knives from AliExpress. Let's open it up and see what they look like. So generally, won't order too many knives from AliExpress. Most of them are fakes, Spyderco, Benchmade, replicas, whatever you want to call them. You know, they're made of some crappy steel like 3CR and they're marked as S30V. But the two brands that I will buy from AliExpress are Ganzo and Sanrenmu. You know, they don't really pretend to be anything else, though they may quote-unquote borrow designs from other companies. The build quality has always been good, and the steel is what it says it is, 440C in these cases. So this one is, let's see here. So this one is the G7361. Pretty well centered there. Let's see. You know, doesn't pop out with a hard whack like some of the more expensive automatics, but no blade play. Edge looks good. Grinds look even on both sides. Let's just see that again. Definitely got a nice action. Not the strongest, but definitely not lacking. See how sharp this is out of the box. Really not bad at all. Not bad at all. Look at that. All right, so again, this was the G7361. It's got a nice wood handle. No cracks. I did read some reviews where the handle scales were cracked on the wooden ones, but this one looks good. Looks like I got lucky. It comes with a nice deep pocket clip, a deep carry clip. And I paid $18.29 for that one. The other thing I like about ordering these from AliExpress, you can get them on Amazon, free 2-day shipping, whatever. But where I live, the laws regarding knives they're restrictive yet not very well defined at the same time. So sometimes it's hard for me to get knives that are actually perfectly legal. Like from Knife Center and Blade HQ, I can't even get a Spyderco Para 2 or any locking folding knife for that matter, even though they're perfectly legal where I am. AliExpress, order whatever you want, ship it wherever you want. And this one is the G7471 with G10 scales, a bit bigger, also $18.29. Blade is not quite centered here. You can see it's slightly towards the left side when I'm looking at it this way. So it's not quite centered. Action is good. Solid, no play. Let's check sharpness. A little snag at the beginning. This one's not as sharp out the box. Looks like the top half is much sharper than the bottom. I don't see any visible deformities in that edge though. You know, I'll strap it up later, see what that's like. Maybe I'll sharpen it. I do have a lot of experience with the 440C that Ganzo uses. One of my favorite EDC knives that I use the heck out of is this guy. I don't remember the exact reference number, but also deep pocket. Action on these is great. Pops right open and it actually closes just with the lock. So it drops free, closes right open. Like I said, I used the crap out of this. I'm going to assume that the blade steel is the same, at least very comparable. So it sharpens up very easily to a nice razor hair shaving edge. However, it doesn't hold a razor edge very well, but it does hold its working edge for quite a while. Strops up very easily and sharpens very easily as well. So let's play with these guys a little bit more. I'd say well worth the $18.29. Where else are you getting automatic 440C under $20? G10, G7471, and the wood-handled G7361. Obviously, I just unboxed these, so I haven't used them much, or at all, really. So I will use these as EDC for a couple of weeks, and we'll report back if anything changes, if it falls apart or whatever, or give my follow-up impressions there. Again, deep carry clip comes standard on it.